Miss Sarah Geronimo kumanta ng Only Love Can Hurt Like This sa ASAP natin to. Panoorin natin.
Tell myself you'll be the thing. While we got a hold on me, even on your mind. I just crumble. Tell myself I don't feel that much, but I feel like till I feel your touch. Only love can hurt like this. Only love can hurt like this. Something from deadly kiss. Only love can hurt like this. Still wouldn't care if you walked away. But every time you're there, you stay. And only you come close. I just tremble. Every time you go. It's like a knife that comes right through my soul. Only love can hurt like this. Only love can hurt like this. Something that believe only love can hurt like this. Only love can hurt like this.
Octave higher. Okay. Unang-una ko na napansin, ang ganda niya talaga dito, man. Sa makeup, sa costume niya, hindi gaanong revealing pero andun yung appeal. Sa fierceness, no, sa kanyang look, yung shade ng mata, no. So, yun yung talagang unang na napansin ko. And then, second na napansin ko is parang ang baba sa kanya, no. May mga low notes doon na talagang ewan ko lang hindi naman hirap niyang abutin, pero to me hindi ganoon ka stable, no? Kasi nga, sabi ko nga, parang ang baba. And then, naisip ko lang, baka ano to, mag-octave higher to, no? Kaya napatawa ko kasi, I was right, no? Binelt niya nga ng octave higher. So, that was good, no? May transition doon. But same key, octave higher lang, ganon. And, let us be honest, medyo may mga 2 or 3 parts doon na medyo shaky or pitchy, okay? So, alam naman natin gaano kagaling si Miss Sarah Geronimo. Pero dito specifically or particularly sa video na to or sa performance na to, parang naisip ko din na siguro dahil din umi-edad na din siya. Siguro I don't know about you guys, pero yun yung honest opinion ko. Kasi hindi na din siya bumabata, no? Parang nagiging veteran na talaga siya sa industry, and I think that age is catching up. I don't intend any bad thought or negative na idea about it. Pero yun nga talaga, no, hindi natin makakaila na age is really catching up. The whole performance, no, yung presentation niya as a performer, magaling naman. Andun yung emotion, andun yung character na required sa kanta. But then again, may mga parts doon na medyo pitchy siya. So, let me know on the comment section. Good job, Miss Sarah Geronimo.